Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Amy from With Love by Amy, and today is day 14 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar series. Alright, so let's find day 14. Oh look, it's right there. And let's see, am I going to struggle as usual to get it open? Yes, of course, because my fingers are too big for their tiny little flap things. But here we go. And what have we here? It's a die set. What kind of dies are these? Ooh, they're flowers. More flowers. That's cool. There's been, what, 3 days with flowers now? That's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to die cut these. I'm going to, actually first I'm going to do the heart from the previous day, and I'm actually going to emboss it, and I didn't show it very well, but I have what's kind of like a, it's like a mouse pad type of thing, and I just messed with my sandwich to make sure it didn't cut it, it just embossed it. And there's the heart embossed. And then I'm going to cut out the heart shape just to give it a little bit of texture. And there we go. So there's the heart. And I'm just going to mess around with the flowers. I did die cut them, the stems out with green and then the flowers out with some pink and some purple. And we're going to glue them together. And as I'm doing this, I'm realizing that I'm starting to glue the colored flowers on the wrong side of the stems. So whoopsie. Alright, but then I glue them on the right way. This card is not going to be super involved for this day. I'm kind of like running out of creativity, I think, at this point during the Advent calendar. I'm hoping that it comes back, but you never know. But I did go through my stash of backgrounds, and I found one that I had done. It was just kind of like a messy orange and yellow background, and that's what we're going to put the card on. And yeah, so it's pretty simple. I will say, using the jewel picker to pick up these tiny little die cut pieces, that works pretty well. I was always using my fingers before this, and that's a challenge, especially since I've been painting my nails lately. They're just a little bit more of a struggle to do, picking tiny things up with my nails now that they're always painted. But I will say I'm loving the routine of having my nails, or painting my nails. I'm doing them myself, and I'm doing the UV gel nails. I'm a fan. I feel pretty when I do my nails, so I think I'll keep trying to do them. As long as I remove them cleanly, I can paint them right away. Alright, so there's my background that I picked. I didn't go through my stack of backgrounds, but you probably saw that background show up in my stack of backgrounds earlier in the Advent calendar series. So I did also use, when I was arranging this, I realized I didn't have enough flowers. So I actually die cut the flower that came with the little bird that I didn't use in the little bird die cut set, or the die cut card. So I die cut that flower and stuck it in the middle, so it would give a little more dimension to my flower arrangement there. And I did not, I'm choosing not to put a sentiment on this card because I'm hoping that there's a thank you sentiment, because I really kind of need some thank you cards. So I'm hoping that's the situation soon, that we get a thank you sentiment. One kind of like the die cut happy birthday would be really cool. But of course I couldn't just leave the card at this. I had to put some sequins on it, and we're going to do 3 little sets of sequins. Both corners on the top and then down on the lower right corner. I only wanted to do the sequins on the orange since the sequins are kind of yellowy pink. And I did try to leave room on the bottom in case there is a sentiment, like a strip sentiment. So we're almost finished. We're in the home stretch. This was a pretty quick card, which I'm thinking for the rest of the days, which, oh my gosh, there's only 10 days left. I've made it more than halfway through this series, and I've posted on time for what I wanted to do. I'm proud of myself. That's pretty exciting for me. But here we go. And we're just going to use the Make Art Station to hold it in place for a minute. And there we go. That's my finished card. And here's a good picture of it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I really appreciate you watching. Alright, here are some other videos you may enjoy. Please don't forget to come back tomorrow for day 15. And have a great day. See you soon.